Sit closer to the fire. Closer. The night is heavy. The shadows are long. You feel a shiver in your spine. You think it is the cold. It is not. It is them. Forget what you think you are. Forget your name, your job, your history. Labels on a package. You believe you are the master of your destiny. No. You are a goose in a pen, being fattened for the kill. Look at your life. You wake, you rush, you worry about paper, numbers, opinions. You scroll, you consume, you fear. You think this is life. It is a farm. The walls are your habits, the trough is filled with drama. You are kept in perpetual fever, not sick enough to die, never healthy enough to fly. A calm goose has no flavor, but a terrified goose drowning in self-pity, that is a delicacy. The ancient sorcerers saw the truth. They looked at humans and screamed. From the depths of cosmos, a predator came, the Voladores, the flyers. To them, we are not enemies, we are livestock, we are food. They eat your awareness. When you are born, your awareness is luminous, complete. Look at yourself now, where is that shine? Gone. Nibbled down day by day, crisis by crisis, until only a thin strip remains at your toes. Enough to survive, enough to suffer, not enough to see. How do they keep billions in line without a fence? They gave us their mind. The voice in your head that never shuts up whispers you are not good enough, that you will lose everything. That is not your voice. That is a foreign installation.
Every time you obsess over the past, you feed them. Every time you drown in self-pity, you marinate yourself. Every time you demand respect, you grow fat and sweet. Your ego is the trough, yourself is the menu.
They prod you. A sudden worry. You react fear, anger, despair, and they swoop down and eat. You feel drained, heavy, empty. You say, I am just tired.
You were just eaten. Why don't you see them? You are looking with their eyes. You cannot see the cage with the mind that built it.
But sometimes a goose looks up. A moment of silence, a shock. It sees that the blue sky is a painted ceiling. Most geese bury their heads back in mud. Truth is too cold.
But you may be too late to sleep. You have seen the fence.
How do you escape? You cannot run, the farm is everywhere. You escape by becoming inedible. The samurai knew this, meditated on death every morning to accept they are already dead. No fear means nothing to lose. The predator cannot eat a being without fear. When mind is silent, the installation stops. You become mist.
I am already dead. Therefore, I am free.
The fire is dying, shadows coming closer. You have a choice, little goose. Check your phone, serve yourself on a platter. Let them milk you until hollow, or declare war of silence. Starve the predator, refuse anger, refuse worry, refuse offense, not because things are good, because you are a warrior.
When you give nothing, remain empty as mirror. The predator turns away in disgust, and for the first time, the mind you use will be your own. You will see the real sky. Now go tread lightly.